Today I've got something I usually say is a quick fix. It's a Flow 8. It's also got a Bluetooth controller, Flow 8 Behringer mixer. I see it also say digital mixer. So what happened with this unit is that well, the customer dropped it while the power adapter was plugged in, so it broke the socket. It's at the back here. So it's a quick thing to open. It's got the two side panels on the side. So if you remove those two panels, you will get two screws on the side, the front, and then you have some screws at the bottom. Then you will have to remove also the screws for the socket here, for the mic socket. And then when you flip it, it just open up like that. You can unplug this. So if you look closely here, let's put this aside. So if you look closely on this one, this is where the power goes to. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna put the socket back, and the socket is still reusable. And the good thing is when it came off, it didn't damage the tracks. So let's just do that quickly, and then after that we can just test it and see how it will function. Also have a box there. So it's a bit difficult to get the focus, but from the look of things, I can see those legs are all soldered now. Okay, so let's just clean up, and then we can plug it and see if it will power up. So what we can do, we can just do a switch just to see if that socket is inserted properly. Okay, so we can see the unit is switching on. So which means that the plug that we put, or the socket that we put, is fine. So now I'm just gonna close it up, and that's the wrap. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll put more video up. Please do like and subscribe. If you have any question, please put them below, and I'll answer as many questions as I can. But at the moment, thank you so much. Have a good day.